I'm Hannah Martin, I'm a makeup artist. Let me tell you everything about Estée Lauder's new Double Wear foundation. I don't really remember a time before Double Wear. It has for years been my trusty, reliable go-to when I want full coverage, matte, long-wearing foundation. What if I told you that Estée Lauder have been working behind the scenes to make it even better? It's all the things I loved about the original formula, but with everything you wanted more of. It's built to do more so you can look and feel your best all day. It's more buildable. It's still that unbeatable, flawless, full coverage matte finish, but you can tailor it to your needs. Apply a little in a lightweight layer for a more natural finish, or layer it up for full coverage. It's more your shade. It's still the 60 shade range, but now with an added new technology that boosts the vibrancy of each one. It's a bit like upgrading from a grainy old TV to HD. It's more wear. It still lasts all day, no touch-ups needed, but now with 36 hours of colour true wear. It's still transfer proof, it's still waterproof, it's resistant to heat, sweat, humidity, and it won't settle into fine lines. It's more skin balancing. It still controls oil and remains non-comedogenic, but now offers 36 hours of oil control and immediate hydration. Those with dry skin will love the hyaluronic acid and glycerin, and those with oilier skins will love the algae and niacinamide. Now on to application. Yes, it's got added skincare benefits, but you still need to prep your skin beforehand. I've used a bit of the Advanced Night Repair Serum, which I love and adore, followed by my moisturiser. If you want to maximise that blurring effect, you can use the Double Wear Smooth and Blur Primer, or if like me you prefer a bit more of a dewy finish, you can use the Futurist Aqua Brilliance Primer. If you like to apply your foundation with your fingers, you absolutely can. Just pop your finger over the top of the bottle, shake it, dot the foundation over the face, and blend out. It's quick, it's easy, and I love it for a more natural finish. If you prefer to purchase a reusable pump, that's also an option. I know loads of you love to use a sponge to apply your Double Wear. Just pop a pump on the back of your hand, tap your sponge into it, and then bounce the sponge over the face until you achieve the desired coverage you're looking for. One pump can be plenty. There's no harm in doing two if you want a bit more coverage. Sometimes maybe even a third. I prefer to use a foundation brush. I just always have done. Again, I'll pop a pump of my Double Wear onto the back of my hand, work it into my foundation brush, and then gently stipple where I want the coverage. The Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer is the perfect partner to the foundation. It's an all-round multitasker. It melts into the skin. It offers great coverage. A little goes a long way. Tap it with your ring finger or blend with a brush. You get all the long wear you need from the Double Wear foundation, but if you like that soft, focused, blurring finish of a bit of powder, then the Double Wear Matte Powder Veil works beautifully. This is an icon reimagined. Estée Lauder have truly created this new Double Wear formula with everyone in mind. Whether you love full coverage or you prefer no makeup, you can wear this foundation your way.